Assalamu alaikum. This is Ahmed Hassan, and we are presenting the simulation of convolutional coding. So here is just a quick overview of what we are presenting. So here comes the introduction of our topic. So we are basically presenting the simulation of convolutional coding. What is convolutional coding? It is a type of error correcting code that generates parity symbols via the sliding application of Boolean polynomial function to a data stream. So our main objective is to simulate and analyze the working of convolutional coding in a communication system to gain the insights of their behavior and performance. So here are just the basic components which we use as we are using the Simulink model. So here are just the basic blocks. Bernoulli generator, that is to generate the binary data, then an encoder, BPSK modulator, AWGN channel which we can alter the noise on our own. Then we have error rate calculation block, display block, and a scatter plot for the constellation diagrams. So here is the simulation model. First we generate the binary data, then we encode it using convolutional encoder and modulate it over BPSK, then passes it through the AWGN channel with the noise of 20 dB, and then we just decode it with a decoder, and then we have our error rate calculation and display. So here is just the overview of simulation results. This is the BPSK modulation before channel, and this is after channel with the noise of 10 dB. This is just for the overview. So here is just the discussion. As we can see, there are three available coding. First, we use no coding, then we have convolutional coding and block coding. So it is clearly visible from this BER plot that by using convolutional coding, we have reduced bit error rate on lower SNR. And we can clearly see here the block coding does also provides us with the lower BER, but on the trade of greater SNR. So by convolutional coding is preferable. There are certain and now conclusively, convolutional coding is a good approach for error correction, but it is obviously reliable, but it is more complex to implement as we have to perform the convolution. That is why there are certain drawbacks, but if one wants to achieve, if one would prefer the error correction, then he should go for the convolutional coding rather than the complexity. So thank you very much.